Hello to everyone joining us today. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of validating captured data that falls below the defined threshold. To get started, navigate to the AI Document Processing tab within elDoc. From there, upload the specific document you wish to process. Once the system completes its processing, and if it detects characters with a confidence level below the established threshold, indicating potential inaccuracies, the document will be flagged and appear in your inbox for further validation. Additionally, the relevant user will also be notified via email that the document requires validation. In this particular instance, as you can see, elDoc successfully captured all data except for the date field, where additional artifacts were also captured due to the document's specific characteristics. To correct and adjust the data, you simply need to edit the fields and then click the button to validate the document. Once the document is validated, it will be dispatched according to the workflow scenarios established in the system. Validating data with elDoc has never been easier. Try elDoc for free today and experience seamless data processing.